I think this color is going to be really pretty. Oh my god, yes. This look came out really, really good. It's this like bronzy, really beautiful, soft, like summer glow. Guys, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time. If you guys are not familiar with who I am, my name is EllieArket. I am a psychic medium, a paranormal investigator, founder of EllieArket Cosmetics. I have 5 YouTube channels. I'm going to Harvard. I'm crazy as fuck. So if you guys like to hang out with someone like me and you like variety in content, I'm the girl, all right? On this channel, this is really about like getting ready with me, look of the day. I chat and chit chat with you guys. It's kind of like a live stream, but it's recorded. It's pre-recorded. All right, so my face is washed. I already have my eyelashes down. So again, if you guys are new, I'm doing the ASMR thing. It's hilarious. We have handmade silk vegan false eyelashes. We have a 24 karat gold collagen serum collagen system. 24 karat gold system, skincare system, day serum, night serum, retinol, hyaluronic acid. This is literally going to make you look like this. I have no makeup on. As you guys will find out, I have no makeup on. So this is how I got to look like this. Now, I always tell my customers, clients, when you get my serums and you put it on, you don't have to just put it on your face. You put it on your neck, you put it on your chest. I was watching this movie last night. It's about this two friends. One of them is really, really geeky looking with these like geeky glasses. She's not really pretty, or she doesn't really look pretty. Retinol. And this is super, super, super hydrating. It's like, oh my God, this is like literally just like, I drank a lot of wine last night, so I really need this hydration this morning. So they, you know, it's like, there's a death on campus. This boy like died and police is investigating. That's how the movie starts. This other girl is like, there's this blonde girl and there's this brunette girl. The brunette girl is a geeky one, right, with glasses and stuff. She's like, you know, the blonde girl is like, okay, so, you know, I'm going home for a couple of days. And then the brunette girl is like, well, I don't have anywhere to go. And she's like, well, come stay with us, with my mom and my stepdad. So you guys know where that goes, right? So this lady, this girl that is, you know, is friends with the blonde girl. I don't know, I can't remember the name of the characters, but anyways, the moral story is like they go there and she takes off her glasses. She starts dressing in 90s and putting her hair down and wearing makeup and coming on to the stepdad. And then meanwhile, the way she does it is she starts drugging the mom and the daughter, so like her friend. She starts drugging them. And so the daughter gets super, super sick. So she's in bed all the time because she's like sick. So they think she has the flu. The mom, she was trying to get something from like, you know, from a drawer like on top. And basically like she kicks the little stool thing beneath her leg, the brunette girl. So the mom falls, breaks her leg, so she's in bed. So the mom is in bed, the daughter is in bed, and so she starts dressing in 90s and making breakfast and stuff and coming on to the stepdad. It shows you how men are. Like, he took advantage of her. So he slept with her, okay? So he wasn't like, oh no, don't touch me, I'm married. No, he slept with her, right? But then afterwards, he was like, oh, I love my wife. So she gets really pissed off because this girl is a psychopath. She's a sociopath. And basically, she just kills people. If they don't do what she says, she kills people. The mom keeps telling the husband, like, I feel like something is off. Like, I don't trust this lady. And he's like, I think you're jealous. It's like, bitch, you slept with this girl and you don't want anybody to find out. So the wife can feel it, right? The wife is like, look, I can see how she looks at you. So I'm gonna do a really natural look today because I wanna do, I don't know what kind of look I'm doing actually, because I'm gonna do a bunch of videos for my other channels. So we'll see what comes out. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just kind of go. I just kind of go with it, and then a look is created. It's very spontaneous, the way I do my makeup. So the wife's intuition, she's like, you know, woman's intuition, trust your intuition. She's like, look, I can see, she's like, she wants to get rid of me and my daughter so then she can have you. And he's like, you're just being jealous and you're delusional. I hate it when men say that. I hate it when men say, you're delusional, you're just being jealous. It's so sad. because I've been told that, like, you know, when I tell somebody about, like, you know, their family member or their friends, and I'm just like, you know, this is what I think. And, you know, sometimes people don't know, like, I'm psychic or not. I'm just saying this is the vibe I'm getting, and you don't even have to be psychic or anything, like, to pick up the vibe. And then they're like, oh, you're just delusional, you're just being jealous. No, I'm not jealous, bitch. Jealous means I want to be you. I don't want to be anybody. I like being me. It's not about jealousy. I'm just trying to warn you, you dumbass. So, okay, whatever, do what you gotta do. And then you're gonna get burned, which is exactly what happens with this guy. The wife keeps telling the husband, like, listen, I think that something is wrong here, and when she brings me my dinner and drinks, I pass out. I don't remember anything. I think she's putting something in our drinks. And then, you know, the husband's like, you're just delusional and you're just jealous. She's taking care of the house while you're laying here with a broken leg and whatever the daughter's name is. And so he keeps, like, discrediting her. Now, this whole time, she's coming on to the husband. Of course, he's not going to say no because he's getting laid, right? He's getting laid while the wife and the stepdaughter are, like, drugged out in their bed, like in separate beds. And then in the evening, the girl comes out with a nightie and gives him a glass of whiskey, and the shebang starts. Dude, they do the shebang. So anyway, so the girl is like, yeah, I got him, right? And so she starts planning on actually killing the wife and the stepdaughter, which is like her friend, supposed friend. This girl brought her home because she felt sorry for her, right? She felt sorry for her because she was like, I'm going home. And then the brunette friend was like, well, I don't have anywhere to go. And then her friend was like, well, you can come and stay with us for a week, and then we can go back to school together, you know, because they were like on a break or whatever. So this looks really pretty and soft, and it's like, do you guys see the black shade here to do my eyeliner? So then it's like not severe, but there's like definition, and you just like put it here in the corner. So anyways, so the girl starts planning on killing the wife and the daughter. Now, she's a med student, okay? So she knows about chemistry and mixing drugs and things like that. And she gets like a syringe and a bunch of like drugs. And one day when the husband is like at the office, this is when she was gonna go like inject the mom and the daughter with these drugs and just like have them overdose and stuff, because they were both on drugs because they were both sick. The police shows up to the guy's business, and they're like, so is there, oh, her name is Amy, the one that wants to kill everybody. And the police like, is Amy staying with you? Is your stepdaughter's friend? And the guy's like, yes. And the police like, how is it going since she's been staying with you guys? Because we have new evidence that she might have something to do with this boy's death at their school, on their campus. And he's like, well, to be honest with you, it's just kind of weird. Ever since she showed up, my wife broke her leg. My daughter has been, you know, so sick that I'm beginning to get really worried. Like, I should just like hire like a living nurse, or just take them to the hospital and just have them like stay in a, you know, hospice care. Like, that's how bad it is. So the police is like, well, let's go to your house, and we have a feeling that she has something to do with what's going on in your house as well. So anyways, they go, by the time they walk in, that's when she was about to like kill the wife and the daughter with like a syringe, and she gets caught. They take her to prison, blah, 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 blah. Oh my God, look at the eyes, you guys. This is really effortless. Like, I don't know how to do makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. I just sell my makeup, okay? And I love makeup, and I'm trying to learn. So like, look how easy that was. Like, I'm talking to you guys, jab, 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 gibberish, gibberish, gibberish. And then I did this eye makeup, which is gorgeous. So now we're just gonna do a little contouring, and we're done, bitch. So the moral of the story is that don't trust people. Don't just bring a stranger to your house. And then don't leave your kids and husband with some fucking strange girl. Like, sometimes I don't know, like the way my brain works, because like I'm psychic and I always see like, you know, I just see shit about people. Gwen Stefani hired a really pretty blonde young girl to be the babysitter for her kids. She started dressing the babysitter like the way she dressed. So the babysitter started dressing like really cool, funky clothes. She's blonde, she's thin, she's tall. She looks like Gwen. She looks like Gwen Stefani. She doesn't look like Gwen Stefani, but she's dressing like that, and she's blonde, and she's pretty, and she's young. So she leaves her husband at home with this young girl and goes to work. Like, what do you think is gonna happen? Do you really think that your husband just loves you so much that he's just not gonna touch this young, blonde, hot, younger girl that's just probably walking around like this movie that I just saw last night in a nightie, handing your husband a fucking glass of whiskey? Like, stop being delusional. Seriously, if you're married and you have kids, do not hire some pretty girl, even an ugly lady, even an ugly, not attractive, not physically in shape, because men, what am I doing? Men don't care. Like, okay, let's talk about Arnold Schwarzenegger. He slept with the maid. She was very large, okay, not exactly attractive. He was married to, like, whatever her name is, like the Kennedy ladies, very pretty, and he had so much sex with the maid that she got pregnant. Nobody knew that it was Arnold's son. And then they raised the son not knowing that it's Arnold's son. And then somehow, I don't know how they found out, but they found out, and then she divorced him, and the rest is history. I'm gonna wear Fairy lip gloss. So my lip glosses come in 6 shades. They're different shades. They're all gorgeous. They will plump up your lips. They're vegan, organic, cruelty-free, and they're amazing. But it's like you have to buy all 6 together, which is like less. It'll be like less, and it's gonna last you forever. They're highly pigmented, and they actually stain your lips. So I'm gonna wear Fairy. I think this color is gonna be really pretty. It's good. It's matching my eyeshadows, as you guys can see. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, this look came out really, really good. It's this like bronzy, really beautiful, soft, like summer glow. Oh my god, this is the thumbnail right here. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. If you have any questions regarding the products, don't hesitate to ask. I always put my business phone number and email and everything in the description box down below if you guys want to book a session with me for coaching, for reading, if you guys want to purchase the products, if you guys have a question, you can email me, you can text me. So everything that I showed you is available on my website at EllieArket.com. If you guys want to book a session with me, it's EllieArket.com. Video a like, and consider subscribing if you guys like content like this. And this looks really pretty. I'm very, very happy with the look. I just kind of did it while I was yapping with this movie, but the moral of the story is don't trust people, don't invite people into your house, don't leave your husband and kids and dogs and pets with strangers. Oh, she kills like the house hamster because she's just like this vindictive sociopath, psychopath, like jealous girl. She kills like her friends like hamster. Like she was just sick. I'm not saying every single friend is gonna be like that, but I don't bring people into my home around my husband, boyfriend, fiance, dog. Like, nah, bitch. You stay over there in your house, I stay over here. You want to hang out with me? You want to be my friend? We can go grab a cup of coffee. I don't even care if Jesus like appears to me. I'm going to be like, show me some ID. I don't know who you are. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another get ready with me look of the day. Bye. Thank you.